reached 100 subscribers, so I gotta say thank you. Get back to the community a little bit. Local, sorry for any subscribers that aren't local out here. But so basically what I decided to do is come back to one of my original little spots, and I just hid a gram of gold and a little bit of silver. So that gold is the refined gold that I did the process with, the nitric acid and aqua regia and all that fun stuff. But as you can see, this is where I'm at, and I hid it right there in that tree. So any of you subscribers, come up here and get it, man. But anyhow, I'm back at another hole that I used to dig at. I kind of cleaned it out. There's a lot of leaves, a lot of overburning, but cleaned all that out, and kind of made a little run for my sluice right there. Got the water running. It's running a little fast right now actually, but I'm gonna adjust that. But better to have more flow than not enough. But anyhow, so this is where I'm digging, and down a little further is where I started to see a lot of the more stained rocks, you know. It's been a while since I've been in this area, but definitely huge boulder right here, huge boulder, and then another fairly large boulder. So there's kind of a big traffic jam right here, so I'm kind of just working my way over there. But anyhow, like I say, hopefully whoever finds that gold that I just hid, you know, just drop a comment, say you found it, give me a thumbs up or something, man. At least I know somebody finds it. Otherwise, I'm gonna be digging here for a while, so anybody, if you find this place, feel free. Help me work this area, man. Help me move some of these rocks. Let's get to this layer here. Again, right there, man. First come, first serve. Have at it. Thank you guys. 100 subscribers, man. Awesome. One other quick little thing. So I got a new little toy. So this is a Baofeng radio. I bought a bigger antenna for it, but it's basically just a ham radio kind of thing. But when you're up in the canyon, it's kind of cool because you can get FM radio. 95.5. You get 93.1.
Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly sunny. Highs 86 to 91. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, becoming partly cloudy.
Ha 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 ha!